Good morning. I know it's Wednesday, so I'm going to try to keep this short. Today we're just reviewing what we did the last 2 days since a lot of you didn't have a chance to get much work done with Cami being down. So today's just a review. We got two different formulas we can use, and it all depends on whether or not we know the total. When the total is missing, we use this formula right here, y equals mx plus b, where the b is our starting amount and the m is the rate. That's usually the word that has the word per, number that has the word per after it. Now, and we know the total, and we're trying to find the things that put together. We put the total here at the end where C is. There we put the total. And then A and B become the count or the price of the two different items. How many of one item you have versus how many of another, or the price of one item versus the price of another. Those become the A and B numbers. So let's do an example of each. All right. This comes from your worksheet today. This will be problem number 1. So if you're watching the video, you get the first answer done. So it says membership to a movie club is $10 for 1 year, with ticket prices for members being $2 per movie. That's way cheaper than the normal like $12 it costs to go to a movie. So you join the movie club, and then you get to get cheap tickets. So first off, do we know the total? No, we don't really have a total. We have a beginning price and then a price for tickets, but we don't really have any totals. So that means right away I know that we're going to be using this y equals mx plus b equation. When we set it up that way, y is always the total. So that's going to be our y number. It's the missing total. Then what is x? Well, what's the thing that's changing? There's a movie ticket price, $2. Oh, per movie. So that means depending on how many movies we go to, that $2 could change. If we go to one movie, it's $2. 2 movies, it's $4. 3 movies, it's $6, and so forth. So that thing that's changing, the rate, $2 per movie. So kind of like per what? So now we got the variable set up, we can do our equation. So again, we're going to do y equals, well, the m comes with the x. So what's about the movies? Oh, that's $2 per movie. And then that b number, that's our starting point. Well, we started by having to pay this $10 membership fee at the start. So there's our equation. And part 2, how much would it cost for 14 movies? So we're trying to find the total cost, $2 per movie, and we're going to do 14 of those movies. So we plug a 14 in, and we can find out how much. 2 times 14 is 28. 28 plus 10, well, that ends up equaling $38 for 14 movies. That is way cheaper than the price of actually just paying one at a time. That's the idea of behind these movie clubs. Alright, so your work is like this today. Again, I'm trying to keep it short, so give it a couple of tries. There's a couple more on there, and good luck.